Hello everyone, welcome you all in the eighth session of marketing management. Today we will discuss about product positioning. Let's begin. The positioning of a product having certain factor a big influencing upon, like there are many factors those who can affect the product positioning strategies. Talking about IMC means integrated marketing communication that included entire things about the marketing promotion, marketing communication, manufacturing a quality product, and rather all the benefits and how we are going to communicate it. So the common message should be forward from different touch points to the customer, to the clients. Then we need to understand about competitors' claim. Every competitors nowadays claiming that we are number one. None of the enterprise is claiming that we are number two, we are number five, we are number eight, we are number 10. Everybody is in the race to claim the number one we are. So it is also a fact. Then product feature. This is the big feature which practically implement the practically affected how we are going to influence the product feature about our product packaging, our mouth or word of mouth. If our product is good enough, our product packaging is good enough, our product packaging is good enough, then our product can be sold to the open market space as a better, improved, and quality product. So we need to always increase a good word of mouth. Then media reviews. Of course, product positioning get affected by the media reviews. If media gives a positive review, it is going to affect positively. If media gives a negative effect, it is going to affect negatively. Retailer mix, how retailers are going to affect the product positioning, that orientation of the retailers. Retailers do carry certain rack system and how they are placing our product so that the customer walking to their shop must get attracted to the product. And the ultimate thing is the product pricing. The pricing should be under budget. The pricing should be under pocket so that it can be served, it can be analyzed, it can be reviewed. Got it? So there are different dimensions in the positioning map. We can say high quality product, low quality product, low price product, high price product. The four benchmark has been developed. That we need to understand five easy steps to use market positioning when accelerating organic growth. If we are talking about the growth, what we should require to do? The first we need to understand market positioning. That market positioning is an effort to influence consumer perception of a brand or a product. It is the best service. Always create a positive impact. It relative to the perception of the competing brand or the product. Make sure your product matches your customer need, because the marketing process begins with the customer requirement. Hence, it must be satisfied. It must be end with the customer satisfactions. So it is essentially required that we should continue with the customer need. The second fact is invest in the selective strategic alliances. Those strategic alliances, after getting connected with them, we should be win-win position. We seek external resources to accelerate our growth, to accelerate our driving forces. And the third part is the data mine every possible opportunity. Man, I love my customer. This feeling should be there in the mindset of the marketers, because if we are not able to get a healthy, positive, and emotional sentiment with the customer, our product is not going to run long term. This will help to understand the market, to consumer, and product positioning better. It will sound that we are going to implement a better positioning strategies. Then it required introduce changes and innovations when your business appears to be the most successful. When we feel like requirement of innovation, we always need to innovate when we are successful, rather we get declined in product life cycle. Also we discussed about prior to declining we should innovate the product. The company like Maruti, the company like Hero Honda has observed this, that they always amended their product, they always innovated the product when the product was at the apex level of the success, and still they have changes their strategies and re-innovated their product to get organic growth, which is developing new ideas product within the business organizations. So this is one of the unique characteristics of the product positioning. And then pursue a strategy that create value for the customers, what we are doing for the customer. So we need to understand whether we are able to create value for the customer or not. Market positioning is where your product or service fit into the marketplace. If the market is ready to accept it, we need to place it. If the market is not able to pay, as they have low financial power, that product won't be suitable in that market. So what makes us to position those products into that market? Better we should launch, innovate another product for that market with comparatively low cost product, and that will be positioned. So these are the variables, these are the factors which we critically examine, which we need to understand, and then after we will be in position to conform it. Then we need to understand about the various types of the positioning. The first one is the competition based positioning. The main feature is identify the appropriate category, then distinguish from other category member or key competitors on important dimensions. It is essentially required. Next one, image based positioning and goal based positioning. Then depict brand as to satisfy customer goals, needs. Another characteristics can be utilized as building a strong, consistent set of association with the brand. Like Vegas always used to do it. What happened here? Stay here. Whatever the situation is there, we need to continue with our brand. Different types of strategies can be utilized for the product positioning of the using product characteristics of the or customer benefit. The price quality approach, the use of the application approach, the product user approach, the product class approach, the cultural symbol approach, the competitors approach, brand positioning strategy, corporate positioning. When we talk about the marketing map, a market or positioning map illustrates the range of the positions that a number of product can be taken to the market based on the two dimension that are the important to the customers need to be taken care. Then there are certain common dimension which must be analyzed before positioning map, whether the product having low price or high price, basic quality or high quality, low volume product, high volume product, necessity product, luxury product, lightweight product, heavyweight product, simple product, complex or technical product, unhealthy product or healthy product, low technology based product and high technology based product. These are the dimensions which we need to be taken care. Then we come to the market positioning strategy according to the ranges, low price, high price. Accordingly, services will be changes. Take the example of there are the different healthcare and fitness club of example, that Pure Gym, Banana Ants, and Virgin Active. Let's see. This is the positioning map. Pure Gym, comparatively low product. Services will also be low. Virgin is comparatively high price product. The services is also going to be up. So this is what range of the services, the amount of the quality, the amount of the money we invest accordingly, we need to get the benefit. It is all about value added services. The more value we add, the more services we are able to be get. Then taking care of the marketing man and about the certain advantage that market map or product positioning helps to spot gap in the market, useful for analyzing the competitors, encourages use of the market research, and some disadvantages too. Just because there is a gap doesn't mean there is demand. Gap cannot be the demand. Now it's our responsibility, being as a marketing manager, being as a company, or being as an organization, how to identify, how to convert this gap either into demand or into loss. Not a guarantee of success. It is all about taking risk, ability, how much we are comfortable while taking risk, and how reliable is the marketing research. The data from we are getting informations that how much reliable is there. There are cultural symbols which we can use in the positioning strategy. Nowadays, logo itself says about the organization. When we look about the logo of LIC, that comes in our mind that insurance sector is there. ITC Hotels, it is a branded chain of the hotels. Dabur Group, a renowned company. So there are the different financials and other sectors organizations too, which we need to understand. Then product positioning process we need to understand about. The first process is define the market where the product will compete. In which market we are going to position our product. Identify those market. Then identify the attributes to find the product space. What are the feature? What are the skills which can be utilized? And then collecting information about customer and other attributes too. Determining each product share and mind. Determine other product situation in the marketplace. Determine the target market preferred combination of attributes, and always examine the fit between the product and new market so that it can be converted easily. There are certain approaches to the product positioning strategy that we can see: the best price, top quality, 100% services, how we can deliver it using product characteristics or customer benefits. Another one is price quality approach. I can give you the 13 positioning examples by which we can position our product better and improved manner. Key feature attributes are there. Every product having certain benefits. Price, we talk about the low price, high price, moderately high price. Relative to the leader, how we are connecting ourselves with the leading organization, leading brand even. Uses, target user, problem solvers, emotion, personality, aspiration, corporate identity, causes and the values, and leadership. These are the different possible positioning examples. These are the strategies we can use. Thank you very much for giving your patience time. If you have any query, must feel free to write in comment box. We will reward you, or please like, share, and subscribe so that more and more people can be take advantage. Thank you very much. Have